Hi guys, welcome to the second episode of learning how to DJ using VirtualDJ. So after downloading and installing the software, it's going to look like this. So this is a starter interface. So you need to change this interface to Pro. So first thing first, you need to come here on the layout and then you click Pro. So it's going to change to this. So actually the interface of VirtualDJ interface, it's not really different from the CDJs that you see from your favorite DJs on live mixes or on different pubs. The one that they use at pubs. So and also the controllers, it's not really different from that. So I'm going to explain what you are seeing right here. So let's start with this part. So this is a jog wheel, the same wheel that you see on the CDJ. So we also have the Q button, the play and the sync. So I'm gonna show you what this does in a moment, and then this is the same thing on the right side. So now let's look right here. So this is the mixer. What you are seeing here right now, it's a mixer. So now this here, this part belongs to the left side, and then this one belongs to the right side. We have the volume and also the volume for the right side. So we also have okay, we're gonna explain this because it's very easy to understand this when you are hearing what they are doing. So we also have this crossfader right here. So you can also use it to change like the songs. So but in most cases I like keeping it in the middle. So we are still going to learn about this. So now, okay, one last thing that I can explain. So we also have this here. So these are the stem pad. So you can turn this off. So which means if you click this, you are turning off like the focus if the song has focus, just like the instruments. So it's the same thing even on the right side. So now we also have the echo, which is our effect that you're going to use when you are learning how to transition. So now, so that's it on the interface. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put in a song. So let me start here. So I'm gonna come to my USB here. This is where I have the song that I wanna use. So I think I'm just gonna use this song. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using my own song because what I don't want, the last thing that I want on this video or on this course, it's the copyright issues. So now let's get started. So I'm gonna start by explaining like the cue. So the moment that I load the track, you can see that it's already queued in because yeah, like let me just say it's ready to play. Let me explain it well because you can see here the play is more like it's bleeping to show that I can play. So if I click here, so if I click, I'm playing the song. So now let me play it again, and then I can press Q. So what Q does, it stops the songs. So I can press it like this. So I'm sure you have seen DJs using it maybe on the CDJs. They will press it like 4 times like this. So which I'm going to explain as I go on with the course. So and then after that we also have the sync, which I'm going to explain because it's not going to make sense right now. So at least right now you know how to play the song. So now let's try to change like the song, or maybe before we do that, let's explain this. We have the low. So this is like killing the lows of the song. So now let's play. You can Now you can hear that the kick is gone, but if I do this, you will hear the kick playing back. So now let me pause it, and then now we also have the mids. So let me play again. So to hear it well, let me do this so that you can hear it well. Let me come here where we have a lot of instruments are playing. So you can hear that as I'm moving this around, as I'm taking it up, so those mids are coming back. But if I do like this, it's more like we are hearing the most of the lows, the bars and the kick only. So without like the instruments. If we heard a vocal, we are not gonna be hearing any vocal, so that's why we are hearing like the low sounds only. And then we also have the highs, which mostly is the heads, and those are shakers sometimes. Let me just do this. So these three buttons, the high, the mid, and the low, are the buttons that you are going to, or let me just say knobs, not buttons. So these knobs, you're gonna be using them a lot when it, even when you are DJing with CDJs, the mixer. Let me just say the mixer and CDJs, because this is a mixer, actually the same mixer that you see when using CDJs or a controller. So these are the three buttons that you are gonna be using a lot when you are mixing your song. So now we also have the filter. So this one right here, it's kind of combined. It combines the highs, the mid, and the lows. So instead of moving this one by one, you can just move this. So you can hear that I have killed everything from the high, the mid, and the lows. You can't really hear anything. But if I start doing this, you will hear the sound coming in. So, but what I've noticed that a lot of DJs, they don't like using this. Even me myself, I prefer using like this. I prefer doing it one by one instead of just doing it. So using the filter. So we also have something that uh I was gonna miss actually. We have the tempo controller. So this one. So when you take it down like this, you are actually increasing the tempo of the song, and then you can slow it down, down like this. So just like let's say maybe you have a gig, and then you are playing very early, people are still coming in, you know, you can slow down your tempo if because you saw that this song was around 115 if I'm not mistaken. So you can slow it down, so because people are still relaxing, so you need to know how to read the crowd as well. So yeah, this is used for actually for that, and also tempo matching, because with virtual DJ, so where if I put another song like this, let me just put this song right here. So automatically the song is gonna match the same tempo as this, but with virtual DJ it's not the same thing. So which means you have to do tempo matching as well. So you have to know your tempo. So okay, that's it. So the same, what I have explained here is the same thing as here. So we also have the volume. So you can down the volume of this. So which means you are not gonna hear it. So you play this one. So you can just swap it like this. So I think this is very easy to understand. So it's just to control the volume of the song. So just that maybe when you're mixing in the song, you can just take this down slowly and then take this up like this while you are decreasing another song. So when that's when you're changing the song, right? So now what I can explain also is this one. You can also use the crossfader to do that. So if I do this and press play here, you will hear this song only. Let's also play this one and then try to get it. You can hear that we are starting to hear the song as well. So alright, that's it. I think that's it for this episode. I think I've explained so much. So if maybe you're a DJ and I'm missing something, just help us out on the comment, because I think I have covered everything that you need to know, especially with loading the track. I didn't explain the joke wheel. I left it on purpose. I'm gonna explain it. So there's also a loop, maybe a loop. I can also explain it on the next video. That's what I prefer. So we have the tempo controller. We have the volume controller, which is the level. So I've explained everything right here. We also have the gain, which is something that I don't think you do want to touch, because if you do this, you are more like increasing the sound. Let me hear. Yeah, you hear like this. So I don't think you want to do this. You just want to keep it here. So as it is. So that's it. I think for now we just gonna go on, and then let's meet on the next episode, the third episode. So thank you for watching this one.